This is how we're going to work on our homework today. Go to Google Classroom, which you should already be in, open your class, and you should see an assignment posted here. Open up that assignment, and here is the information on it for you. So your job, first and foremost, is to work on population pyramid work, have the title in it. When you open up that document, it looks a little something like this. So for part 1, you're going to go to this website to find information about 2 of these countries. Don't choose your own, choose one from these lists, please. So to do that, go to this website, and it's going to ask you to look at the demographic overview for the year 2019 for 2 countries. So these 2 are not on the list, so you can't steal them. But if I wanted to choose Afghanistan and Algeria, if I just click on one at a time, they don't both select. But if you hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then you will select them both. And then from there, you can scroll down and hit the Submit button. It'll spin for just a moment, and then it will show you the demographics of each of those countries and the things that you need to enter on your worksheet. So it'll give you the mid-year population, the growth rate, and then the life expectancy. So it's not so great to live in Afghanistan where your life expectancy this year is at most 52. If you compare that to Algeria, life expectancy is 77. Okay, so you're going to enter in all of that data back on this little table right here. And then you're going to go to this different website for the same 2 countries. So Afghanistan and Algeria were my 2 choices. So I go to this website, and I don't know if you guys can see this super well. It's currently set to be our country and our year, but I'm going to choose the year 2019, click A for Afghanistan, and I've got a completely different shaped pyramid there. Very, very interesting. So if I scroll down a little bit on this website, let me see if I can get that. Yep, right here. So there's a download button right there. So you click that, and then it pops up with a picture. If you right click on that picture and hit copy image, then you can go back to your document and hit Control V on the keyboard, and you get your awesome image. But it's too big because I want to fit both of them on the same page. So just grab it, shrink it down, and now it fits in there just fine. Okay, when you're done, you can delete the picture that I had left and then just keep your own. Answer the couple questions on it, and then you're going to change the year, and we want to look at the year 2035. So if I go back to the website I was on, looking at Afghanistan, to change the year, you just add here until you get to that year, and then you've got a new image, you click download again, and you see how things have changed. The last part is on that same website, just a different page within it. So you're going to look at population density. Click there and you'll see the map, and if you hover over a country, it tells you about their population density. It's hard for me to find my country on a map because I didn't do so good at world studies geography classes. So if you scroll down the page, then they are ordered by population density, so you can find yours in the list. So if I keep scrolling down, eventually I'll probably find Afghanistan, etc. Well, there's Azerbaijan. That's a good one. So here's Armenia, Albania. It'll tell you these numbers. Now, what in the world do those numbers mean? Go back up to the top. It'll tell you. That's their density. How many people per square kilometer? Okay, so you're going to use those numbers, enter them into your worksheet right here. What country did you choose? What is their population density? And then try to find the population density of the United States for comparison. And then we've got a discussion question about Minnesota and a discussion question that's just kind of your opinion on how populations are dispersed. I'd like you to answer all of those. Remember, when you're done, you're going to go back to Google Classroom and you're going to submit that document. Document should have both partners' names in the title. So, oops, sorry, let me grab this right up here. Make sure the title includes both of your names so that I can give you both credit for it really easily. When you go back to Google Classroom, you're all done, you've submitted that, check it in with our substitute teacher so that she knows that you're done. Then you're going to watch this movie right here, 5 Impacts on the Environment, and answer the crash course worksheet, which has been printed for you. I attached it just in case some kids are gone and they need to make it up later. Best of luck to everybody. If you have any questions, you can shoot me an email. I should be able to respond fairly quickly. All right, bye.